Now is a strong moment for Nike ACG fans, especially for longtime sneaker collectors who grew up in the 1990s and early 2000s. While newer ACG models continue to push Nike's outdoor line forward, classic silhouettes are bringing the brand back to its roots. One of those icons is the Nike Baltoro, which is making a return in an olive khaki colorway for spring 2026. Originally introduced in the early 1990s, the Baltoro helped define Nike ACG's rugged identity with its bold colors and trail-ready design. After reappearing through a Stüssy collaboration in late 2025, the model now returns in its original construction. This version features olive leather overlays, black mesh panels, durable DPU support pieces, and metal lace hooks for a true outdoor feel. Subtle hits of university red add contrast across the sole and interior. The Nike Baltoro Olive Khaki is expected to release in spring 2026 with a retail price of $145 through Nike SNKRS and select retailers.